Hi friends, welcome to this video. Today I'm going to show you how to install the Open Broadcaster software, or simply known as OBS, for live streaming and screen recording. Intro. First things first, just go to your favorite internet browser. Then just type in OBS downloads and hit enter. And the first thing you'll see there is the one we need. So just click on it. And here you can see 3 different operating system options. So whether you have Windows, Mac, or Linux, you can have this software in your computer. So in my case, I have Windows, so I'm on the right place. Down here, you can see different download options. For Windows, you have to check whether you have 32 or 64-bit. To check, go to your File Explorer, right-click on this PC, click Properties, and then here you'll see your system. So I'll download 64-bit. Back to the website. Let's click Download Installer. And it will go on this corner. And once it's done, just click on it. And a pop-up window will appear asking if you will allow this app to make changes on your computer. And of course, just select yes. Then the installation wizard will appear. And just click next. Then the license agreement, and you don't have to read all of this, just click next. And here you can select where you want to install the software, but in my case I'll just stick on that. Click install and wait. And now we're done. So just click finish. And there you have it. You've got your OBS software. Let me know if this video helped you, or if you have any questions, just let me know in the comments below. I'd be glad to answer it all for you. Also, give this video a like and share this to the people who might need this. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you'll be notified when I upload new videos. Speaking of new video, watch out for my next video tutorial on how to live stream Mobile Legends or any mobile games on Facebook using OBS. Thank you so much and see you on my next video.